This property that you see behind me, I purchased in foreclosure as is, was infested with roof rats, and I want to take you to my journey of how to remove and prevent these creatures from coming to my property again. So the first, you need to find out why these rats penetrate to this property, and I just want to tell you that the previous owner have two dogs that were in the garage, and the owner used to feed them inside the garage. These attract these rats for their food and the feces, and they actually set up colonies in this property. So the first thing I want to show you is where rats usually coming to property. The first thing you have to go is to inspect where the gas pipe going to the property. As you can see, this is the gas pipe coming here. I put here a foam and a mesh behind it. You don't see it, but if you look at it very carefully, there was a hole here, and roof rats know how to climb very nicely. They went through this gas pipe, and they went inside to the property from here. Here what I did, I actually put a foam. Behind the foam there is a mesh, metal mesh, that will avoid these rats forever. The other place that usually rats, especially roof rats coming, is underneath the siding here. They actually climb on these pipes, going inside and coming underneath the siding. Here I actually put a mesh, a metal mesh, to avoid them from coming in. That's very important. You actually have to check all your underneath siding to figure out if rats are coming or not. Here is the garage door. You can see here it's locked. Before it was not closed very much, so you can see rats actually came through these doors, and they always can come through your garage. When you open the garage, they can run inside, you don't even see them. But you can see also here I put a foam. This area was actually, the rats were penetrated, but we put foam here to avoid this situation. I put a trap for the rats. You should actually put a trap in any corner in your property, and this one actually, it's all the time eating the poison, and it's finished. So now it's for the last 3 months and nothing happened really, so they're actually out of this property forever. The other things is the vegetation here. If you can look at the vegetation, I need to cut it, but vegetation attracts rats. Rats can hide in the vegetation and coming to your property, so I need to cut this vegetation also. This is the mesh, the metal mesh I use to seal all the hole and prevent rats from coming. Remember, rats can chew almost everything, but not this strong metal. This mesh uses underlayment cement. You can buy it on Home Depot. It's not expensive. I think it's $6 for 6 square feet. Very easy to work with that, and it's prevent these rats from coming in forever when you close their holes. Other things you need to understand is that if rats are already in your property, you need to make their life very difficult to actually move from one place to another. And the way I did it here, if you can see, look at it very carefully in this place. This is the gas pipe that's going from here to the other place. And usually what happens, rats actually follow the gas pipes, because the gas pipe have a hole. They're going through the gas pipe and they're going to your house. So if you can see, I put the mesh that I show you here. I put the mesh here around the pipe of the air conditioner. Okay? I put mesh also here. Why is that? Because the rat used to live here, inside the stud, inside the wall actually, make their own colony inside the insulation. Here is the insulation. They used to live in the stud inside, behind your sheetrock wall, and they used to have a colony here. Let me show you here. There was another colony. Okay, you can see there was another colony of rats. Look at this mesh. This mesh avoids them from coming here ever and doesn't let them go out. So when I open these walls, I find a couple of rats, dead rats here. So let me show you what I did here. Look at that here. This is a mesh. Everything is a metal mesh here around the pipe, water pipe here. A metal mesh. So that is to avoid them from coming here forever. There is also, if you can see, the gas pipe, because they're going also to follow the gas pipe to many places in your property. I put a steel wool. You can see the steel wool here, and I put it here in some places where they can probably try to chew it. They died. I also use a foam. If you can look at the foam there, this foam is a special foam that rats and mice cannot chew on it. It's a poison for them, so you have to put it. Let's go to the next point where the rats also penetrated the property. You look very carefully there also. There are mesh all over, which insulate the property from, prevent these rats from moving from one place to another, and prevent the rat to go inside to the stud and living in the walls. In the garage, you can see there is a water heater and there is a furnace. And wherever we open the doors here, there is a risk that rats will go to the garage. And they did go to the garage, and I found them dead in the garage. It's usually happening in the winter when they're actually looking for shelter. So let me show you what I did here. First, there are a vulnerable point when rats coming through. This is the pipe where the furnace or the air-conditioned water going out. You can see it. So as you see, I put also aluminum here. They used to actually penetrate with this hole here. And you can see I actually put here a metal mesh here on the wall. But they will never go inside. Here also. This is the pipe here coming to the water heater. You can see a mesh here. No way that rats can go outside and visit my garage. Here is another, the gas pipe here. And if you look there are mesh all over. Not allow these rats to coming from inside or go from outside to inside. Okay, the other thing that's really interesting, unique here, if you look at this pipe here, this is the water pipe for the air condition. You can see a thin layer of aluminum here. And you probably wonder why did I put aluminum here. And here is the gas pipe for the furnace. There is also aluminum here. And the reason I put this aluminum, thin layer of aluminum here, it's very slippery. Roof rats can climb on almost everything, but they cannot climb on a very slippery aluminum. So here is that, they avoid them from actually coming from outside and immediately go and penetrate or go up to the ceiling. Okay? This is the aluminum corner that I use to seal the space between the furnace and the wall. As you can see, this space actually attracts rats to run inside and go behind the furnace. They like to go behind the furnace because it's a hot area, and they can, from that place, they can penetrate to the house by hitting the sheetrock and go inside. The conclusion you can figure out is it's not only to close all the holes from the outside, which is very important, but you also, if the rats are already in your property, you have to make their life very difficult to move from in the property to your wall and start living there and create colonies. And the way to avoid that is just go to the vulnerable places where are pipes and holes that going from your house outside and seal that with a mesh. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope I helped you